Guys, may gusto akong i-share sa inyong bagong feature ni Maya. Hindi siya basically Maya Savings lang or Maya Credit or as in totality sa loob ng Maya app. Napag-usapan na natin to in one of our Good Morning videos, which is ito ay isang beta feature. And nung diniscuss ko to, medyo maganda talaga siya. And kahit na ako na wala pa noon, ini-aim ko to kasi yung benefits na makukuha dyan is maganda. So ngayon, nagkaroon na ako, gusto kong ipakita sa inyo itong Maya experience na tinatawag na to or Maya XP. Titingnan natin kung worth it ba magkaroon ng ganito. So samahan nyo ako, pag-usapan natin yan, sit back and let's discuss coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new to my channel, I do reviews about personal finance na meron akong experience or meron na akong knowledge na ginawa ko na yan ng videos and playlists na makikita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago ka dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. So sabi dito sa webpage ni Maya, ito, Gain XP, Level Up, Unlock Game-Changing Benefits. Introducing Maya XP. So early access pa rin siya ngayon, hanggang ngayon. Pero sa tingin ko marami na ang meron nito. Maya XP powers up your Maya experience by helping you unlock better and better benefits the more you use the app. Okay, so how it works? Yan, ito daw. Use Maya to gain experience or XP. As you use Maya to save, spend, borrow, or invest, you gain experience or XP for short. Your XP is the number on your XP dashboard which can go up or down every week based on how consistent you use Maya. So, yan yung itsura niya, yung may starter which has 100 XP, Plus, Pro, Elite, and Ultra. So, basically, may iba't ibang level na every level na ma-reach mo, merong specific na benefits kang pwedeng makuha. Okay, so silipin natin ang Maya app ngayon para makita natin yung benefits per level. So, makikita nyo ang Maya XP dito sa dashboard, sa home dashboard nyo. Scroll nyo lang din yan pababa. Ayan nakalagay. Maya XP and it's still in beta. Kung mapapansin nyo, meron na akong 697 and wala pa akong increase ng XP this week. Pwede natin i-compare ito with G-Credit. Na tipong the more you use the app, kakaroon ng bearing yan sa increase or even decrease ng inyong G-Credit score. So, ganun din naman to. The more you use the app, magkakaroon ng bearing to increase or decrease your Maya XP. So, silipin na natin. So, click lang natin yung See All Benefits. Ito. Simula tayo sa pinakauna, which is the starter. Sa starter, kailangan lang natin ng 100 plus na XP points and not greater than 300. Ang benefits daw kung nasa starter XP ka, may access ka sa Maya Easy Credit na up to 30,000. 100 plus lang na XP, ma-unlock mo na yung Maya Easy Credit na up to 30,000 pa. 500 pesos Landers cashback points. And then ito, InstaPay cashback. Earn 15 pesos on your second InstaPay transfer this month. So, ibig sabihin, yung pangalawang InstaPay transfer mo, mag-earn ka ng cashback na 15 pesos. So, ibabalik nila yan. And then, Fuel Up cashback. Fuel at least 500 pesos and pay with your Maya debit card to earn cashback. And then, load cashback of 1%. Next na level is the plus. Ito naman, 300 plus up to 500. So, same benefits naman, Maya Easy Credit, 500 Landers, InstaPay cashback, Fuel Up cashback. So, ito, bago. Bills cashback, 100% cashback on bills fees every third transaction. So, sa pangatlong beses mo daw, ika-cashback nila yung biller fees or the biller convenience fee. Parang ganun. And then, meron ka ding load cashback na 1.5%. So, sa 100 pesos, meron kang 1 peso and 50 cents na cashback. Insurance cashback na 1% and then crypto cashback na 1%. Next level is the Pro, which ako nandoon ngayon. So, sa Pro, kasi 697. Kulang lang ng tatlo, mag-elite na pala ako. Anyway, ito. Sa Pro, ganun din. Maya Easy Credit, 500 pesos Landers cashback. InstaPay on your second InstaPay transfer. Fuel Up cashback, parehas lang naman. Bills cashback. Ito yung change. So, dun sa load cashback from plus na level, dito po, 2% na po ang cashback when you buy a load. And then, insurance cashback, sa previous, 1%. Ito naman ay 2.5% na in case nabibili kayo ng insurance with Maya. And then, sa crypto, ganun din, nag-increase ng 0.5%. Next level is the Elite. Dito po, magbabago po sa bills cashback. Instead na every third transaction nyo, ibabalik nila yung biller convenience fee. Pag Elite level po kayo, every second transaction nyo, dun po sila magka-cashback ng biller convenience fee. And then load cashback, tumaas din po, 2.5 na po ngayon. And then insurance, tumaas din po to 3.5. And then ganun din po ang crypto cashback. Tapos, merong additional na benefit which is the Express Chat Support. Richa Support, Agent Faster via chat. And then the last tier is the 900 Plus or Ultra. Again, may Easy Credit, 500 Landers, InstaPay, Fuel Cashback. Ito guys, ito yung maganda dito. Kung nasa Ultra kayo, 100 cashback on biller fees for every other transaction. So, possible na zero biller fee. And then, load cashback na 3%. Okay, insurance cashback, 5% na. Crypto cashback, 2.5%. And then, the chat support. So basically, nakita natin na every level, nag-i-increase yung percentage na discount natin and then cashback. Medyo happy ako dito sa inintroduce ni Maya because of the feature, unang-una na yung InstaPay transfer. Yun yung pinakagusto kong feature dito sa Maya XP na to. Pangalawa na lang siguro is the load cashback. And pangatlo, lalo na kapag na-reach mo yung Ultra, which is yung zero biller fees na tinatawag. So, at least nakakamura ka at nakakatipid ka if you're using the Maya service. So, paano ba magkaroon ng Maya XP? Well, wala pong nakakaalam kasi ako po na hindi ko naman po madalas ginagamit si Maya, nabigyan po ako ng beta access. So, gradually lang po nilang ginagrant ang access sa mga Maya user. So, yeah, medyo hintay-hintay lang po tayo. Yan lang muna for this morning's video. I hope you like this video. Leave a thumbs up and if not, wala nang problema dyan. But continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sa tabi ni subscribe para makareceive kayo ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!